Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to save Instagram voice messages. So if you also want to save Instagram voice messages, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. After that, what you have to do is click on the search bar, simply type in instagram.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Instagram. Make sure you logged into your account. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, initially you'll be in the home interface. So in order to save the voice messages, what you have to do is go to the messages interface. Simply look at left. You'll be able to find several options over here. At fifth, you'll be able to find the option for messages. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the messages interface. At left, you'll be able to see all your messages. Simply click on the chat from which you want to download the voice message. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. So you might already know that Instagram does not let you save the voice messages. But if you really want to save the voice message, what you have to do is add an extension to Chrome. For that, simply go to New tab. Click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is paste this link. This link will be provided to you in the description box below. Now press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to Chrome Web Store. You can see the extension over here. All you have to do is add this extension to Chrome. Over here, you'll be able to see the option for add to Chrome. All you have to do is click on it. You can see over here, I've already added it to Chrome. Now go back to Instagram tab. Now what you have to do is click on the extension icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see all your extensions over here. Simply click on this extension, download audio messages from Instagram. Wait for a while. You can see over here it automatically detects the voice messages. If you want to download the voice message, simply click on the download icon that you can see right next to the voice message. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here the Instagram voice message has been downloaded. If you want to open it, you can click on the open icon that you can see right over here. You'll be able to play the voice message. So that is how you save Instagram voice messages. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.